sounds pretty creepy down here. Maybe we should stay together.
Raj, it's just a library.
You could say that about anything. It's just a cemetery. It's just a haunted house. It's just a portal to hell.
Fine. How about we split up, but we stay in constant communication with each other?
Thank you.
Sana ne oldu? Bebeğim benim. Ay benim.
Leonard, still here? Okay. Leonard,
Still here.
okay. Leonard,
Arkadaşlar, benden size bir tavsiye.
Leonard.
Kedi sevmek.
Too much stuff.
Adorable. Adorable budgies.
Hey, ready for lunch? Really? Video games? Some sort of Freaky Friday thing where you're actually Howard? Please, if I were Howard, I'd be doing this. You know what? He's not wrong. Alright, great. Can we go? In a minute. I want to show Howard I can play this game. You know, you make a lot more money than he does. Can you just rub his nose in that? I can, but I want to rub his nose in this. Jim, why can't I get anybody? Here, let me try. Not so luck. It's way harder than it looks. Got him.
Okay, this citation is correct. How are you doing?
Pretty good. Just looking through the effect of high energy muons on proton pions scattering at the National Accelerator.
Laboratory. Should we take a break?
No, this actually makes it more exciting. You have to get through all of this before I run out of this.
It's like the movie Speed.
Yeah, you heard my
Busts
DS
into your lungs.
voice.
Instead of Sandra Bullock, it has sadness.
Why did you pull this Russian thing?
Well, I was citing this paper over here, so I thought we should check it out.
Stop translating. Maybe we should talk to Howard. His Russian's pretty good.
Howard? Google Translate. Okay, here we go. From Russian to English. Examinations of moose chowder in lemon parachute.
Well, Mimi.
I know
You
what
need
sounds
to call
strange.
it one. Kyle.
Oh gosh.
You knew it was present.
If it had this word, maybe moose. Okay.
You can't be yelling your Uncle Will.
Examinations of a super asymmetric model of the universe by Dr. Vasily Grigora Polypopovich.
Wait, so Amy and Shelby weren't the first to
Does
face
it need
the
jail tomorrow?
Doesn't look like it's from 1978.
Cool.
Okay, well, they might need to rename their theory the Cooper
Run
Fowler
for lunch.
Grigora
Kyle, I told you this.
Polypovich theory.
Kind of rolls right off your tongue, doesn't it?
Sheldon is not going to be happy about this.
So I was going to be less happy about this. The super asymmetric model is inherently flawed and does not bear the weight of further examination.
So this disproves their theory?
Sounds like it.
How are we going to tell him?
That's easy. Just go up to him and say, Sheldon, Raj has something to tell you.
Why do I have to tell him?
You did find it.
But he's the one who translated it.
Okay, how about this? We all tell him.
Or, even better, you tell him.
Yeah, that makes the most sense.
You guys are such cowards.
Yes, we are.
Is Mrs. Stewart here?
Oh no, doctor's appointment.
Is he okay?
Not since I've known him.
Mimi.
He brings up an interesting question. You and Stewart. Why?
I don't know, my parents owned a funeral home. Read into that what you will. What can I help you
I
with?
can't upgrade yet.
I was hoping Stewart could show me how to play
I
Fortnite.
tried.
I can teach you.
I
Really?
gotta wait until
Look at my skin.
the
I've
other
been
one's
outside in 6
okay.
years.
It's almost there. already has a little countdown on it telling me 3 more months.
Why?
I think it's 3 months. July?
Guys, what do you think?
I didn't see.
No, I said July is 3 months from now.
Yes.
So whatever phone they give you, you're stuck with that phone. Till then. Don't go smashing it, okay?
Really wish I didn't see this.
You can buy the dark phone too if you want.
Just
She wants
need to give
one.
Sheldon some bad news, and I really don't want to.
Oh my god, is everything okay?
No, I found a paper that proves their theory wrong. They thought this was going to be their Nobel
Where's
Prize.
little Dara?
Oh man.
Oh no.
Maybe leave an
Are
anonymous
you guys
note.
not talking again?
You know, like in high school when you want to let your best friend know your boyfriend's cheating on you.
Huh?
Why wouldn't you just tell me?
I don't know, maybe you had a hickey.
And you guys fighting again?
Isn't it better to get bad news from a friend?
Trust me, it's not. I went to prom with a hickey and a black eye. Come on, knock on the door. You can do this.
Alright, here I go.
Oh wait, just let me get inside.
Why?
Why? Come on.
Sounds like you guys are fighting again.
Oh, hey, Leonard, is the podcast too loud?
I didn't hear a podcast.
I told you no one could hear it.
Well, I heard Ira Glass, so he's either in your earbuds or clinging to the ceiling like a gecko.
Actually, I need to talk to both of you about your paper.
Oh, right. How are the citations coming?
Well, Roger, we're chasing them down like you asked us to, and we came across a Russian paper that seems to disprove super asymmetry.